It's a foreign language. It's all new to you. Trying to soak in as much information as you can. Man, how am I going to grasp all this information? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Matt Trades. And today we're going to be talking about how you can cope with Forex anxiety. Now, every trader in the beginning of their journey, especially you, if you're watching this, I'm considering like you are a beginner trader. Anxiety is something that just comes with the game. I mean, you're dealing with capital, especially if you're trading your real capital, you're going to have anxiety. But the thing that you need to remember is that number one is don't be risking money that you cannot afford to lose. I feel like when you have that anxiety and you place that trade, automatically just say in your head that, hey, when I push this trade, buy or sell, that money is no longer mine, and I'm only risking money I can afford to lose. I think that's a big part that will help people's anxiety as well. Number two, obviously just getting familiar with your technical analysis, especially again if you're a beginner watching this. Technical analysis can make you feel like you have anxiety because you're all over the place and it's a foreign language. It's all new to you and you just are trying to soak in as much information as you can, so that can also cause you some day trading anxiety. I know I went through it when I was trying to learn. I was just like, man, how am I going to grasp all this information? But trust me, in due time it will come. You will understand the market more better as you move along in your trading journey. And number three, I would say, instead of paper trading with fake money, I would say put small money into an account and trade with that. Because if you're demoing, okay, of course you don't care about that demo account because it's not your money. But when you put your real money into the market, you're gonna want to like make sure you're spot on with your trades. And obviously, again, you cannot win every trade, but you're gonna be feeling the emotions of real-time market movement, you know. And yeah, I demoed at first, but it was nothing like using my real capital in the trading markets. So I would say instead of demoing for too long, eventually you want to switch to using a live account. But with day trading, don't think of it as you're the only one that has anxiety. Everybody has anxiety when they first come into this game. Right now, I'm in a FTMO challenge, and right now, I'm down like $500 on a 200K account. Am I gonna have anxiety? No, because I know my next trades will play out. Just like right now, I'm up 1.3 or 4K right now on the challenge account with live trades active as in 1.4K. Through the trade, I just have to be like, okay, my strategy is going to play out. So I try not to have too much anxiety. I try not to look at it too much, but I monitor my trades to make sure they're flowing in the right direction. As far as having anxiety when you're trading, don't think about it too much. Just make sure you're familiar with your technical analysis. Be on the charts, studying and back testing, because without practice, I mean, you're gonna have anxiety. That's just like you playing basketball and you don't practice, and then when you go to a game and it's like 10,000 people or maybe even 50 people in the crowd, you might have anxiety because you don't practice. Practice, make sure you're not demoing for too long, and have fun in the markets. You know, everybody has losing days. But those are some of the things that I would keep in mind if you have day trading anxiety. Anyway, I'm not gonna make this video too long. It's your boy, Matt Trades, signing out. Peace.